In this video, I want to show you how to add a payment gateway to your WordPress website using Paystack. So if you want to receive payments online as a Nigerian or as an African, you would need to use Paystack because Paystack is fast, Paystack is trusted, Paystack is global, and all of that. So if you look right here, you see that these products that I have on this website, you can see here it says, sorry, it seems that there are no available payment methods. Please contact us if you require an assistance, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to show you how to use Paystack and set it up so that people can easily pay on your website using transfers and all of that. So you need to do two things. First, you need to install the Paystack plugin on WordPress, and then you also need to have a Paystack account. So I already have a Paystack account, so you need to create a Paystack account, verify it, and then once you verify it, you come to settings here. So you want to click on settings here. So once you come to settings, you are going to see your profile, contact, compliance, account, all of that. So you want to come to the API keys and webhook. So you need to leave this place open. All right, and then you want to go back to your WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website. Also, you want to come to the payment under the WooCommerce. All right, so you come to WooCommerce, you come to settings here, and then under the settings, you come to the payments here, and then you are going to see the different kind of payments you have. But if you scroll down, you see Paystack here. All right, so if you don't see it, you just need to search for it, or you need to go and install the plugin. So you can just come to plugins here, come to add plugin, search for Paystack for WooCommerce, you can install it, but usually you should see it. So if you come right here, just click on get started. After the setup, this is the interface you are going to get. The first thing is to enable Paystack. So after that, you can change this title if you want, but I just usually leave everything default. Then you want to come here to the test mode. You want to change it to the live mode. All right, and I'm going to show you what that means just soon. So you can customize if you want. If you want people to use autocomplete, you can check this. If you want them to cancel, if you want them not to be able to cancel it, you can remove the buttons. If you want them to split payments, you can enable this and all of that. So if you want it to, the different ways that this will display, like the payment option, you can select the gateways here. So I'm just going to keep it at 1. You can also enable them to pay through their saved card, like card they've saved to Google Play, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and all of those stuff. So once you have that sorted, you want to come back to your Paystack. All right, and you want to copy your live key. All right, you copy your live key. So to copy it, you just need to put your account password here, and then you can just copy it. So if you copy the live key, you want to come here and make sure you uncheck this, uncheck it from test mode so that it can change to the live key here. So you want to come here and then you want to paste the live key here. All right, you come back here and then you want to copy the public key. So you copy the public key and then you come back again, put a public key right here. All right, so once that is done, you want to do one more thing, and that is you want to copy this. All right, you want to copy this URL, you want to copy it, and then you want to come back to your Paystack, and then here where we have the live webhook URL, you can just copy it and paste it there. All right, so once you are done, all you have to do is come here. Once you are done with the WooCommerce settings, you come here, you click on save changes. All right, so once you've saved the changes, you've basically set up the Paystack to work for your WooCommerce website, so people can now pay directly. We are going to test it shortly to see. So this is the same item I wanted to buy. So if I refresh this page, we should be able to have our payment method, which would be Paystack. So As you can see, we now have Paystack right here, and people can just basically pay using Paystack. So they can transfer, they can use their card and all other things. So they just need to fill the information here, and then they can now pay using Paystack. So you now officially have Paystack on your website, and people can pay using their card and any other thing that they want to use and pay securely.